Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you need a fast charging cable that is strong, reliable, and built for powerful devices, this video is for you. Today, I am reviewing the Anker USB-C to USB-C cable, a 100-watt fast charging cable. And by the end of this video, you will know whether this cable is worth buying or not. This Anker cable is a USB-C to USB-C charging cable, designed for high-speed and high-power charging. It supports devices like the iPhone 17 series, MacBook Pro 2020, Google Pixel phones, and many other USB-C compatible devices. This pack includes 2 cables, and each cable is 6 feet long, which gives you plenty of flexibility for charging at home, at work, or while traveling. One of the biggest highlights of this cable is its 100-watt power delivery support. This means it can charge not only smartphones, but also laptops and tablets efficiently when used with a compatible charger. The build quality feels solid and premium. The connectors are reinforced, and the cable is designed to resist bending and wear. From daily use, during my use, the cable delivered fast and stable charging without overheating or disconnecting. It worked perfectly with phones, tablets, and even USB-C laptops. Now let's talk about the advantages. The cable supports fast charging up to 100 watts. You get 2 cables in one pack. The 6-foot length is very convenient. It works with many modern USB-C devices, and it comes from a trusted brand like Anker. There are a few things to keep in mind. This cable does not support video output, so it cannot be used for display connections. Charging speed also depends on your power adapter. However, for charging and data transfer, these are not major issues. You should buy this Anker USB-C cable if you want fast and reliable charging, if you use USB-C phones or laptops, and if you want a durable cable that can handle daily use. If you need a cable specifically for video display, this may not be the right option for you. So, is the Anker USB-C to USB-C 100-watt cable worth it? In my opinion, yes. It is powerful, well-built, and dependable, and it delivers excellent performance for both phones and laptops. If you want to check the latest price or available offers, the product link is in the description below. If this video helped you, please like the video. Subscribe to the channel for more honest product reviews, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.